we need to wash our hands. Good thinking, Dr. Cricket. Well, let's get cooking.